Hi everyone, Dayron here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and today I want to share with you how you can remove pet odor from your carpet and how you can deal with those accidents that no matter what, it will happen if you own a dog or a cat. If you have pets at home, there is a good chance that they will have an accident. But before I explain you how you should do your own pet odor treatment, let me explain you about the carpet installation. That way you have a better understanding of how you can apply the tip I'm going to share with you. The first thing we have is the carpeting. This is what you have at home. What I have here is just a piece of carpeting, but under your carpet you have this little sponge that we know in the carpet cleaning industry as the padding, and most of you know also that it's called a padding. What happens when you have a pet accident, let's assume that what I have here is your dog or cat peeing on your carpet. When you have the accident, and of course this water is not going through, what it will happen is that the accident happens and all the urine will go all the way through to the padding, and that's my point. That's what I want to explain you. When we get a phone call for pet odor, we always tell our clients that a regular carpet cleaning won't take care of their odor issue. And now you know why. When your dog has an accident on your carpeting, it will go all the way through in your padding, and your padding will be the one holding all that urine. The first thing that you need to be able to do a good odor treatment at home is very simple. It's this black light. Many people know the light as a UV light. When you turn the UV light, you will see this bright light. This bright light will react with the acid and with the salts in the urine, and it will show a green spot. After you find your spot, you have to use either baking soda or vinegar. But let me explain something first. What are the chances for you to be able to remove the spot? Well, you have only 50% chance to remove the spot. Many of our clients have told us that they've been successful doing the steps I'm going to share with you, but there's a good chance that you still have to call a professional carpet cleaning company that specialize on pet odor removal, because having the UV light, it won't tell you 100% where all the spots are. In our industry, when you take the training, they teach you that you need a moisture meter, you need a thermal camera to find the spots that are wet, the spots that are producing odor from the carpeting. But let's say that you already found the spot, and you need to be aware that when you have the accident, it will get on the carpeting, and it will go all the way through to the padding. Plus, if your pet has been using the same area over and over and over, there is a good chance that the subfloor, which we don't have a subfloor here, but you need to know that you're gonna have wood or any other flooring underneath, and if you have accident over accident, there's a good chance that it will go all the way through. And that's the reason I say you have only a 50% chance to be able to remove the odor. The first thing I recommend is to take the baking soda. The baking soda will neutralize the pH on the urine, and because it's a powder, it will absorb a lot of the urine. And many times we hear that our clients say that baking soda fixes their issue. You just sprinkle a little bit of the baking soda, which I don't think it wants to work today. But basically, you make sure you sprinkle a good amount, and you just let it sit for a full day, and the baking soda will absorb all the moisture out, and it will balance the pH. Many times it helps getting rid of the odor. If the baking soda doesn't work, you have to come back and extract all the baking soda with a shop vac. After you got all the baking soda, if you still have odor, let's assume that this piece of carpet that I have here is the next step you're taking because the baking soda didn't work. Then you have your vinegar. What you have to do, you have to make sure you apply enough vinegar that it will go all the way down, all the way through to the backing of your carpeting. And as you saw, I'm spraying a lot and it's not going through. Check that. It's now starting going through. The point, why am I saying that you need to apply enough vinegar? We need to make sure that the vinegar touch all the urine that you have on the carpeting, on the backing of your rug, and on the padding. If you are able to pull up your carpeting, here's what you should do, which is what we recommend. Pull up your padding from on your floor, then you spray the front, and you come back and you will see a big ring where the spot was. Then you have to apply the backing. You gotta apply your vinegar to the backing. What you're doing, you're making sure that your vinegar is touching all the urine. After you do that, what else you gotta do? You have to also apply enough vinegar to your padding. Why are you doing that? Because as long as you have urine in your padding, there is a really good chance that you're gonna have odor coming up until that urine spot dries out. What is going to happen? If you are in a place where you have a lot of humidity, if the humidity goes up in your home, you will start getting odor from the padding. But that's basically the way you should do your odor treatment. Let's just review it pretty quick. You're gonna need a UV light, you're going to need baking soda, and you're going to need vinegar. And why would you need all that? Because when the accident happens, the urine will go all the way through the carpeting and it will get in the padding. The padding is the main issue getting rid of odor. Sometimes you don't smell anything on the padding, on the carpeting, but you still say, well, I smell odor in my area, in my carpeting. The reason is because it's all the way down in the padding. If you don't have a way to get all the way to the padding, you probably have to call a professional carpet cleaning company that is specialized on pet odor. And if you're here in Louisville, we can come out. We have a lot more tools than just a UV light to find the spots. Plus we have a lot of solutions available to us that we can apply in your carpeting to get rid of the odor. And if you need help, you know you can count on us. One more time, my name is Dayron and I'm with Rodriguez Cleaning Services. Our phone number is 502-365-6779. Thank you.